to our channel. Welcome back to STD Farm. I'm Latif, and as I promise you, I'll be bringing you everything you need to know about farming. And don't miss out this episode. This episode is very interesting. Don't miss out. Just subscribe to our channel, click on the like button, comment, and let us know about your idea.
See, this is not a peace song, it's a love song. Peace ain't gonna get married, keep the love strong. See, a peace we cannot risk. War at home is like cardiac arrest, cause home is where the heart is. Let the trumpets sound victory. The battle that we won is a battle for a peace. We promise.
Okay, today we are going to spray the animal to protect them against ticks and lice. So here is the process we are going to pass through.
Yeah. John, man.
As you can see, they are all taking their treatment. We are spraying them and making sure we kill all the insects around. Okay. I carry one and she gets too much weather.
I'll let you.